Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of XAUUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And first of all, a very happy Diwali to all my friends. Thank you so much for loving me all these years. Wish you a very happy Diwali. And secondly, there may be some disturbances, audio disturbances, because you can see a different background due to Diwali. Okay, as it's a festival, okay, I'm outside, okay, with my family. Okay, I'm just recording sitting on a chair. Okay, I don't have the mouse also, I'm just using the touchpad. So I won't be able to draw lines that I always do. Okay, but still, okay, I will try to explain the best possible manner. So let's get started. So first of all, my reference, the market is open and we can see finally gold is trying to get stable. Yes, not yesterday. On Friday, we saw a down market. Okay, market saw heavy selling pressure. Market was down by almost 2%, more than 2% actually. Okay, and things look terrible. But as we discussed on Saturday also, that there is a high chance that this was just a retracement, because for a trend reversal we need a solid fundamental reason. The daily chart also gave us this signal that there's a high chance of market being it was a retracement. Okay, so if you are looking for detailed analysis, okay, and you are new to the channel, then please watch the video from Saturday. You will get the complete idea, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff to bore you again. And secondly, I'm not in a position also today. Okay. So the market is open and finally we can see the market is trying to find some stability. So here, okay, the levels are more or less the same as we discussed on Saturday also. Okay, if market breaks 4185, 4186, this particular blue line here, okay, is if market breaks this level, then we can expect the downside to continue. As of now, chances are very less the market will go below 4185. During the US session, if market breaks 4185, we can look for a sell below it. As I always say, my dear friends, probably you also know it very well, that to break any level, volume plays a crucial role. And right now, we don't see much volume in the market. So in absence of volume, you can expect the same market to take support around 4,200 and 4980, sorry, 4190, 4185. So we have two support levels on the chart of Go, 4200 around 4200, then 419085. Always keep in mind, to break any level we need volume. If there is no volume, then market won't be able to break it. For example, in the US session, if you see the market has taken support, let me try to draw. Okay, and if you see that market could not bounce properly, listen to me carefully, market could not go for a big bounce, market just staying around the support, then there's a high chance that market will break it eventually. So observe the structure of the market. Okay, the structure of the market tells us a lot of things. Maybe as a day trader you may get a good bounce of around 100 pips, around 4200, but if you see the market could not bounce properly, okay, and it is just a higher low, not lower high, okay, lower high, then there's a high chance that eventually market will break it. So you can go for a sell below 4185 if market breaks it. Otherwise, as a day trader, you can expect a bounce of 80 to 100 pips. Okay, then on Saturday, we also discussed a selling opportunity around 4 to 6567 area. Okay, I think we got the selling opportunity here. Okay, the second selling opportunity during the day is around 4285. The black line that you see here. Okay, let me try to show this. Yeah, this one around 428485. As a day trader, you can expect a selling opportunity. Keep in mind, this is a high risk selling opportunity, because okay, we should not forget the overall trend of the market is still bullish. On Friday, what we saw, okay, is just a part of the game. Still, we do not have any fundamental indication yet. If any news comes out during the day, that's a different story. But as of now, okay, we do not have anything. So whatever we are seeing on the chart right now, okay, is just normal stuff. So if market reverses from 428485 area, as a day trader, you can look for a sell position. Why are we considering 428485? Same logic, previous support will be working as resistance. And during the US session, if any news comes out, and if you see that there is a sudden recovery on gold, yes, there's a high chance that gold will continue the overall trend. Then obviously above 428485 you can look for a buy position as well, because we should not forget that overall trend of the market is still bullish, and trend of the market is always being decided by the fundamentals. Without any proper news, there cannot be any trend reversal. Okay, so we do not have any news yet. If any news comes out, then we can expect gold to come towards 4000 level, 3800, 3900. But as of now, we do not have any news. And right now, okay, as we can clearly see, that market is trading in a range. So trading opportunities are also very limited. Gold has already given us thousands of pips in the last couple of days and weeks. So my dear friend, if you fail to analyze the market, if you fail to get any good opportunity, because I don't see any proper trading opportunity today, then do not trade. Just for the sake of trading, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not forget, we are traders, not gamblers. So enjoy Diwali, enjoy with your friends and family. Okay, do not gamble with your capital.